Hey, welcome back to the channel everyone. In this video I will showing you how to make a 3D mockup using Rotato plugin. In case if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon. Alright, let's get into it. I have been already making this login interface. Okay, now you have to select the artboard. Then go to plugins and search Rotato. Then click on it. It will automatically appears on your screen. Easy, right? Okay, now you will find some beautiful presets and also you have got some animations over here. Also you can customize it by yourself. Just have a look. Select the one for your requirement and you are good to go. If you like this video, then do hit the like button, and if there are any queries, please do let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely try to answer that